Okay guys, here's my attempt at making KFC, homemade KFC. Thanks to a guy named Dan on Twitter. I just saw his recipe for KFC. Apparently it took him 18 months to perfect, so here we go, we'll give it a go. So first up, 5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of thyme as well. Next we've got ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. Garlic powder, we've got 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Next up we've got mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder. One tablespoon of celery salt. Next, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Here we've got fine sea salt, 1/3 of a tablespoon. Next up we've got white pepper. We'll add 2 tablespoons of white pepper. And last but not least, ground paprika, 4 tablespoons. So all we do is mix it all up in a container, as you can see, or a bowl. I doubled the recipe because I got a big family and a lot of boys, and they eat a lot. So that mix was I prepped the night before. Here we go the next morning, just prepping the wash. It's egg whites and milk. Put it all together and give it a good whisk. So in Dan Fowl's instructions, it's 2 part of the mix that you've just made to 1 part self-raising flour. So here's the process of prepping the chicken before it goes into the fryer. Okay, we dip it in the mix, and then we dip it in the egg wash, and then back in the mix again. So here I am, putting it in the deep fryer. I've got it on high. So here is the finished product. Look at that, yummy. So that's the chicken cooked. I served it with fresh fries and fresh coleslaw. Basically, I recommend that you strengthen the mix. So maybe 3-part mix to 1 part self-raising flour, and I reckon this would be bang on. The appearance and the texture was bang on, man. It looked like KFC, it felt like KFC, but all in all, it was beautiful and loved it. My family loved it. Give it a go. Send some photos or some videos, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you soon. Bye.